The Nemo Scalar Tarp is a smart and lightweight shelter made for people who love the outdoors and want quick protection from the weather. Whether you're hiking, camping, or backpacking, this tarp gives you solid cover from rain, wind, or sun without weighing you down. It's made from strong materials that can handle tough weather so you stay dry and protected. One of its best features is its simple design, which lets you set it up in different ways depending on your surroundings. You can pitch it in a few minutes, and it works well as a standalone cover or combined with other camping gear. Because it's so light and easy to carry, it's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their gear minimal but still be prepared. The Nemo Scalar Tarp gives you the freedom to explore without worrying about shelter, making it a great choice for outdoor adventures. It usually costs around $250, but it's built to last and worth the investment if you want reliable protection that won't slow you down. IOX All-in-One Outdoor Kitchen System. The IOX All-in-One Outdoor Kitchen System is a super handy tool for anyone who loves camping, road trips, or just eating outside. It packs a full kitchen into a compact, easy-to-carry box, so you can cook real meals wherever you are. Inside, there's space for a stove, prep area, and all your cooking tools. Everything folds up neatly when you're done. Whether you're making coffee in the morning or grilling dinner at night, IOX makes it simple and stress-free. It's made with durable materials that can handle outdoor use, and the design is smart and practical. Even if you're not a pro cook, it helps you feel confident and organized while preparing food outdoors. Perfect for campers, tailgaters, or families who love picnics, it takes your outdoor meals to the next level. Circular saw blades. Take your cutting projects to the next level with this versatile set of 6 circular saw blades, specially designed to be used with various types of drills. Whether you're working on DIY projects, crafting, or light construction, these blades allow you to cut through a wide range of materials, including plastic, wood, and even sheet metal. The set includes blades ranging from 22 millimeters to 50 millimeters in diameter, giving you the flexibility to choose the right size for different tasks. Each blade is sharp, durable, and crafted for precision, making it easier to get clean, accurate cuts every time. Perfect for tight spaces or detailed work, these compact blades are a great upgrade to any toolbox. They're easy to store, simple to switch out, and ideal for anyone who wants to extend the capabilities of their drill without needing a full-sized saw. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for more portable cutting options, this $350 blade set delivers performance, convenience, and quality. When you're heading out on an adventure and need to pack everything from clothes and toiletries to kitchen gear and meds, staying organized can be a nightmare. That's where the Goat Boxco kit makes life easier. This smart storage system uses durable boxes and modular racks to keep all your essentials sorted and ready. The star of the setup is the Hub 50 box, which comes with a built-in fridge area, a side-mounted gear grid, and 4 compartments that hold removable containers, perfect for turning into drawers when used with the rack organizer. You can also buy pre-packed kits for first aid, hygiene, or even water filtration, making it super easy to grab what you need and go. When you're heading out on an adventure and need to pack everything from clothes and toiletries to kitchen gear and meds, staying organized can be a nightmare. That's where the Goat Boxco kit makes life easier. This smart storage system uses durable boxes and modular racks to keep all your essentials sorted and ready. The star of the setup is the Hub 50 box, which comes with a built-in fridge area, a side-mounted gear grid, and 4 compartments that hold removable containers, perfect for turning into drawers when used with the rack organizer. You can also buy pre-packed kits for first aid, hygiene, or even water filtration, making it super easy to grab what you need and go. The King Camp Murano 180 is the perfect outdoor companion for anyone who loves spending time in nature. This cozy poncho blanket is designed to keep you warm and protected, whether you're camping, hiking, or just relaxing outside. Made from high-quality materials, it's soft, durable, and built to handle the elements. One of the best features is its hooded design, which keeps your head and neck warm on chilly days. It's also large enough to wrap around your whole body, so you stay comfortable wherever you are. You can wear it like a poncho, spread it out like a blanket, or even use it as a ground sheet while sitting by the campfire or having a picnic. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and super handy when the weather changes unexpectedly. Whether you're exploring the mountains, relaxing at the beach, or stargazing in your backyard, the King Camp Murano 180 adds an extra layer of comfort and protection. Life Systems Reusable Hand Warmers. If you want a quick and easy way to stay warm outdoors or during chilly days, these Life Systems reusable hand warmers are a great choice. They're small and light enough to fit right in your pocket, so you can take them anywhere, from mountain trails to bus stops. Just click the metal disc inside, and the warmer heats up fast, reaching 54 degrees Celsius in only 10 seconds. This gives you about 45 minutes of cozy heat, perfect for warming your hands when it's cold. The best part? You can use them again and again. Once they cool down, simply boil the warmers in water for minutes and they're ready for the next use. Each one is compact, about 9 by 9 centimeters, and weighs just 118 grams, so they won't slow you down. The Fastback Pro Mechanic Creeper is a fantastic tool for anyone who works on cars. It has 3 big 7-inch wheels that let you roll smoothly in any direction, whether you're on a smooth garage floor or rough gravel outside. This means you can easily move around under your car without any hassle. It also comes with 2 powerful magnetized LED lights that stick right where you need them, lighting up even the darkest corners under your vehicle so you don't miss anything important. The Creeper has 2 height settings. You can stay low for close work or raise it up a bit to roll over bumps and uneven ground with ease. The seat is super comfortable, made from a soft material like the bumpers on cars, and even has a cushioned headrest to keep your neck comfortable while you work. Plus, it has handy built-in trays to hold your tools so they're always within reach. It can support up to 400 pounds, making it perfect for any mechanic or handyman. Metmo Grip is a smart, all-in-one wrench that updates a classic tool for today's needs. It's light and compact, weighing only about 10.6 ounces and sized just right to carry easily wherever you go. This wrench can handle fasteners from really small, just 0.02 inches, all the way up to 0.9 inches wide, making it perfect for many different jobs. What makes it even cooler is that it's not just a wrench, it's also a multi-tool. It works as a knife, hammer, bottle opener, and even holds bits for screws and drills when you need it. This means you get a bunch of tools in one, saving space and weight in your toolbox. The tool feels solid and smooth to use, making work easier and more enjoyable. The original Metmo Grip is a high-quality tool that costs around $130, but if you want something cheaper, there are good budget versions available for $15 to $24. Whether you're a professional or just someone who likes to be ready for any fix, the ND Security Alarm is a must-have safety gadget for anyone who loves camping or spending time outdoors. It's small, lightweight, and super easy to carry, so you can clip it onto your tent, backpack, or gear without any hassle. This little device packs a punch. If there's any trouble, like an intruder or a wild animal nearby, it blasts a loud, piercing sound to scare them away and alert others around you. That means you can sleep more peacefully at night, knowing you have some extra protection. What makes it even more useful is that some models come with motion sensors or built-in LED lights, which help you stay aware of your surroundings even in the dark. Whether you're camping in the forest, hiking in the mountains, or just enjoying a quiet night outdoors, this alarm gives you that extra peace of mind. It's especially helpful in remote areas where help isn't close by. Easy to use and super reliable, the ND Security Alarm adds a simple but powerful layer of safety to your outdoor adventures.